Good morning, Philippines!
Spoiled little boy. Tingnan mo. Tinumba. Kailangan ko na labhan ito. Kasi, andito si Bagbag. Hi, baby. What is that over there? Tingnan niyo, guys. What are you doing, Bag? What are you doing? What are you doing? That's Roxy. Good morning, Baba. Good morning, Baba. Look at it. Good morning, monkey. You're still sleepy. Good morning po. Ito guys, nagluluto ako sobrang aga. Yung pork na may taba. Pork belly siya. Parang fat bacon yung style niya. So, ngayon, kasi punta kami sa hospital mamaya. So, ang mangyayari, so wala na kaming time. Diba, paalis kita kami mamayang gabi. So, niluto ko na siya ahead this morning para time check is 7:37 na. Ano lang, pangkain ng baby ko. Wednesday, aalis kami, manood kami ng Frozen ni na Lloydie and Lo. And also, I have to cook. I have to clean the broccoli rub for this coming Thanksgiving. Makalabas si Bianan bukas. Bukas daw siya lalabas. Hopefully, makalabas siya agad bukas. Today sana, pero hindi pinayagan ng doktor. Snow sa Colorado daw. Ngayon guys, tapos na akong nagluto niyan. Ngayon, para pang breakfast namin ni Tami. Natulog pa si Tami kasi. So, ngayon, yung breakfast namin is ito, and then egg. Nagpa-fried rice lang ako guys. But I don't know if this is, he said, this is no sugar added, hon.
What's it? No sugar.
He said it's good, this one here. This is, what is this? Red grapefruit. Sinuot ko na naman to. Tami having that thing. Let's see. Ito, komportable na ako nito. So, ito na lang yung suotin ko. Is my baby ready? Ready? I'm bringing some water and stuff. Kasi magutom kami mamaya doon. Hindi kasi nagpipi ito. Go pipi, Misty. Let's go pipi. Tingnan niyo. Punta kami hospital. And Tami got a food yesterday from the cafeteria. And this is expensive, $1 for this thingy. Small one.
So you stop 7-Eleven again, huh?
No, we are good. I still have this grandma oatmeal raisin is this not muffin? Cookie. I still have this here. Water. We have water here. So we're good. Maganda yung temperature ngayon guys. It's 56 degrees sa labas yung temperature. So hindi talaga siya sobrang ginaw na ginaw. Pero for sure, later on, Ryan, later on like when it's darker, it's more colder, yeah.
Not really crazy.
Yeah, it's not gonna be crazy. But tomorrow it's gonna be raining, and after the holidays, after Thanksgiving, it's gonna be more colder, I think, right? It's colder.
It's the time of year.
Maginaw siya after Thanksgiving. The piece of the car on. Open ko lang to dito guys para makalabas yung hangin as sigarilyo ni Mr. Tamimoy. Yun yung bridge guys na doon kami naglalakad. sasakyan namin, guys. Nakapark kami dito. Look, it's just very close here. Yung tao nakatingin lang. Anyway. Kala doon kami sana mag-parking, pero ano pala, ito yung mga trabahante pala dito dapat mag-park. Pero doon kami punta. Hey. Nakaitim man lahat. Grabe. Kailangan ng bagong shoes. Yun na lang yung bilhin ko sa kanya, guys. Bagong shoes. Tagal na kasi yan, pero very strong yan ba? Yung puwet, be. Yung puwet. Wiggle, wiggle, please. Wiggle, wiggle. Guys, I'm afraid of elevator now. Han, can you just stop? Hala. Did you hear that?
Yeah, beeps.
No. Hala, goodness. Oh, honey.
How do you hang it from a cable? What do you expect?
We're in the hospital right now. Okay, off muna natin to.
What am I doing?
You're
Let's see if
crazy.
she'll drink the shake.
We're here at the hospital, guys.
Just drink the shake. It'll
We're
be
trying
easier.
to feed her Tommy.
This is a shake, Mom. It's not cold though, so just sorry about that. I'll put the rest in the refrigerator. I bought them. I'll throw them in the fridge. It'll just be easier just to fill your stomach so they can give you pain medicine.
Lumabas lang kami sa ospital. Nagarilyo si Tami. Kumuha rin ako ng tubig. Dalhin ko to. May sanitizer. Kumakain na si Tami. Bumili siya ng sandwich sa cafeteria. So, natutulong si Bianan. It is 3:30 na. Mga alis kami dito, mga 5. So, yun 5, alis kami. Anyway, I'll see you later. Wala lang kaming ganap kasi yung sa labas. Meron siyang bintana dyan. So, makita mo yung labas. Happy. Masaya.
It's cold.
Ha?
It's cold.
It's cold now?
This family's been sitting there for all day.
Ang saya ni Tami, may cafe dito para sa kape, para sa pamilya ng pasyente. At saka meron silang refrigerator din, meron silang ice. Yan. Ice machine. Masaya na siya. May coffee siya dito. Are you happy?
I can imagine what it tastes like.
Do you have coffee? Oh, do you have milk here? You put milk? Smile. 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 Oh, this is a picture. Smile. Pauwi na kami, guys. Uwi na tayo. Kasi si Bianan hindi kumain ng dinner kasi hindi gumising si Bianan. Tulog na tulog kahit pag tusibay, hindi nga siya makapagbay. Kasi hindi siya makapagbay kasi walay talaga, knockout sa medisina. Gusto ko nung magwiwi. Ayaw ko magwiwi dito. So, kaya nagwiwi na lang. Hinihintay ko talaga parang bubuto na itong puson ko. Hi guys, we are home. And I turned the Christmas light outside. I will show it to you now or later, but I will shut off this light over here sa bedroom kasi yun. So, kakarating lang namin. Han, do you wanna see the Christmas light? Who's eating?
They're not in there eating.
They're not eating?
No. I just went in there, look, and Hob saw me.
I shut the light off that you can see clear. Yan guys, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Doon tayo sa dito tayo. And the light, no, this one right here, it's dead. The out. Okay, over there too. Look. Meron na tayong light. Close it, Han. Ito din. Nilagyan ko yung puno dyan. Dyan. Meron na tayong light, guys. Yeah, let's go inside. Hi, guys. Nagka-cut ako ng zucchini, zucchini, ano ni? Zucchini, guys. Para dinner namin ni Tami. And time check, it is 6 o'clock. Kaalis namin doon, mga 5 kami umalis. 5 something. And then, kakarating lang talaga namin. Guys, naalala ba ninyo noong nagplano akong umuwi ng Pilipinas, diba? January dapat ako umuwi. January dapat. First week of January. So, yung plano is nag-iba yung plano. So, minove ko siya sa Marso. So, minove ko yung plano sa Marso. Sana matuloy siya this coming March na pag-uwi natin sa Pinas. Yung January, wala na. Cancel na yun. Sana matuloy na sa March talaga. And yung passport ko, hindi pa rin siya okay. Hindi pa rin na-renew. So, I know, kailangan ko na talagang i-renew, pero hindi pa. 6 weeks daw yung renewal. Maybe before this year ends talaga. Dapat magpunta kami sa city para mag-renew ng passport. Excited pa naman sana ako, guys, umuwi ng January. Kasi you know, January. Basta January. Hindi malutoy tuloy. Hindi malutoy tuloy. But anyway, siya. Yun yung planohan. Hindi na yun na yun. Saka leftover lang yung kakainin namin din. Nagluto lang ako ng gulay para may gulay talaga. Meron kami mga leftover dyan. And then bukas busy ako sa pagluluto ng dadalhin sa Thanksgiving. Hindi namin alam kung kailan makalabas biyanan doon. Hindi namin alam. Pero sana makalabas siya before Thanksgiving. Sana. Hindi ako makapunta doon bukas. So, yung kapatid na lang ni asawa natin magpunta. Hindi ako makapunta doon. Tutuin ko lang to, guys, and I will be right back. Mag-ano pa ako ng video pala, kaloka. Iba ako magluto nito, guys, kasi as in sobrang high yung ano ko dito. Kasi para talagang lutong-luto siya at saka hindi siya yung parang mag-brown talaga ba. Yun yung gusto ko. At saka yun yung gusto ni Habibi. Yan. Tapos, dinner. Oh my God. So annoying. Pretty man. Hi guys, hindi ko makita.
Ben Book, 3 million subscribers have watched her daily videos more than 500 million times.
Growing up, I haven't had the best life, living in poverty, and so I know struggle, but I also understand what it takes to work hard, to get yourself ahead.
It's a good thing. Hi guys! You're not in it. Kain tayo, guys. You need to try the soup. Kung hindi niyo alam, kung bago kayo sa channel ko, guys, meron akong mukbang channel. Charot. Yeah, meron akong mukbang. And nagmumukbang din akong channel dito. Tina-transfer ko siya sa isang channel ko. And yun. So, kung magtataka kayo, ba't kumakain ako sa harap ng camera? Yes, mahilig akong magmukbang. Noon pa man. At na-stop lang siya dahil parang nag-focus ako sa vlog. Pero balik-balikan natin yung mukbang kasi na-miss ko yung mukbang talaga. Meron pa akong soup, chicken soup. It's really good. Have the rice, han. It's good with rice, han. Lubat, han.
Imagine that.
I have vegetables. Sarap, guys. Grabe yung sabaw. Yung chicken ba, sabaw. Sarap. Meron pa ako. Ang dami pa. Yung good, han. Mahal pa na. Back over there. Sarap. Meron pa din akong konting adobo. Sarap ng sabaw. Uy, parang nagustuhan ni Mister. Ang sabaw. You like it?
It's tasty.
Yeah.
Even you get the leaves and the hedges in there.
That's how horseradish leaves. You want more?
No, I'm good.
Oh, he likes my soupy chicken tinola. Naalala ko noon, ang dami kong hater sa mukbang. Kung paano ako kumain. Bawal daw magsalita. Kaloka. Oh, this adobo thing, honey. This adobo sauce-an. Oh. Sarap talaga yung adobo na ano with tomato, han. It's so good. Lang. Sana mabalikan ko yung isang channel ko na mukbang. I think it's been almost 2 months na I don't upload anything over there. I should go back and doing more mukbang and upload over there because yeah, I need to do that. Anyway guys, sana makabalik kayo doon sa mukbang channel natin. Mag-try talaga akong mag-film na nagmukbang doon. Hardhead hobby.
Who's hardhead?
You are. Nang lubot
That's
ng
tough, more
puwit.
for
Uy, nakalimutan ko pala ito. Look. Nakalimutan si Iki. Hi guys! We're going to end the vlog. Nagsusuot ako nito kasi pupunta ka ako sa labas maglagay ng garbage, basura sa labas. So, my baby is leaving soon and he need to bring this banana key. Banana key, banana ko. My banana is baninoy. Huh?
Keep it here. I'm back in the day. Put one in there. That's fine.
Okay. Oh, what else did you said you forgot? I know you said you forgot something.
That's the right one. The old donut.
Yeah. So, I know you said you forgot something, Han. Of course, it's the right one. What the heck?
Well, one of them has that peeled off.
Okay, say bye-bye. Good night, guys. We will see you guys tomorrow in my next vlog. Say bye-bye, love.
Hi guys.
See you tomorrow. See you, bye. Good night, guys.